So you can see the water supply line coming over here. This is that bottom side line through the wall. The water comes to a sand filter first. You can see the sand filter. Solid particles up to 20 to 25 microns are removed in this sand filter. Then the clean water goes to an activated carbon filter, wherein any color particles or odor present in the water is removed. From this activated carbon filter, the water goes to softening plant. Now this was the original arrangement with this end user. However, in a longer run, they realized that it's becoming difficult to do chemical dosing or salt dosing in this softening plant, and then to avoid additional manpower, loss of time and extra expenses, they decided to install Ethix water conditioner, which you can see over here. This is almost a 2 years old installation. This is a Delta series water conditioner model, suitable for 2 inches pipeline size. So what they did was they simply bypassed the softener. You can see this bypass line which passes through the water conditioner, and then the water which is conditioned or which is made soft flows through this main pipeline, and then it goes through this water meter to the end users. So this is the overall flow of the water, and what I understand from the end users over here is that in last 2 years they haven't faced any kind of a problem, any even minor problem with this water conditioner unit. It's being working very smoothly without any stoppages. Usually the total water consumption in a day is around 45,000 liters, and this unit has to work between 4 to 8 hours. So we can easily calculate 365 days into 2 years into 8 hours. This machine is running without any problems.